Installing a vanity. Okay, I just finished installing this vanity. I shut the water off, made sure it was off before I cut into it. So I'm gonna turn the water's back on. I'm gonna turn this on. Make sure there's no leaks. Close. Got a vanity here. I usually like to use, like I said, the 1.5" PVC trap that you take apart so you can clean it. 1.5" by 1.25" the single. You can take this apart, unscrew it, unscrew that, and you can clean it. I'm gonna give it a nice test here. Make sure it's full. Give it a nice test, make sure I have no leaks. Very nice, no leaks.